today I need to change the door catch on this rear door on my Scenic. The rear doors are a little bit easier than the fronts because you've got the handle to contend with. So with this one there's a screw under there, and under there. We need to lift this bit up and there'll be screws underneath. Instead of popping this door guard off like most cars, this one just lifts up. So let's get to it. Using a trim tool, you can remove this electrical window switch. I think that slides, yeah. So the next step is to use the trim tool to pop it all along the seam and then lift this top half up. So for whatever reason I can get this side of the panel off. I come around this side, he does not want to let go. So rather than force the issue, I was able to get to the last screw there. So this should all just lift up now and the whole lot should come off. So the catch on the door at the moment is actually a replacement one. This is the original. The problem I had with this was it opened from the outside. When I tried the inner handle, it wouldn't work. What I've done to this, but I took it apart, just, I thought why not, because it's junk, and I accidentally fixed it, and I haven't filmed any of that unfortunately, but what I was thinking of doing is when I pull the old one out, I'll pull that apart so you can see what's involved. Now this one, the inner catch was working, but the central locking doesn't work on it, so inside there's a couple of motors where it plugs in, and they're housed in this part, and presumably on this one they've gone. So from memory this one did work, so I'm going to put this back in and see what happens. pulls out, the catch is loose. So the only thing he's connected to now is the inner door handle. So you can see where the cable goes from the catch up and around there onto the door handle there. So I think this should be simple enough. I think it just pushes out to there. We pull it down. There's a bit of a groove. Slide it over. And there it is. So now this should, there's some wiggling. Come down there. That way. So as the Haynes manual says, fitting is just the opposite of removal. So I've got the cable back in, that's attached to the outer door handle again, and that's pulled back up. So let's look any further. Test. Everything's working. Try the handle. Okay. So can fit the rest now. So when I changed this door catch last time, I seem to have been in a bit of a rush, I think, because I missed this bit of plastic off. What this is an extra guide for the window. So I noticed recently I've been putting down the window. There was pockets and mop, but you can see it's nice and secured. So that's an extra job that I wasn't expecting. I had to move the car because when I was fitting the switch panel, this dropped off and couldn't find it anywhere. But with that in place, I think we're done. So just test everything's still working. That's good. That's good. And just test the central lock. Yep. Unlock. Yep. That's all good. So just to finish off, I'm going to this unit. And like, when you first look at it, it doesn't look like it wants to come apart. Just going to go round and round with a flat screwdriver and work its way loose. When you've loosened it off, just pull that up. Find you'll have to